In the Whispering Woods, Benny bounds with excitement, a weathered map clutched tightly in his grasp. Arriving at Sally's treehouse, Benny eagerly calls out, "Sally, look what I found! A treasure map!" From above, Sally questions with a hint of doubt. "Do you think it's real, Benny?" Benny, undeterred, exclaims with unwavering enthusiasm, "Only one way to find out. Let's go on a friendship adventure." With backpacks packed and spirits high, they promise to stick together, ready to face whatever lies ahead. Sally, standing next to Benny, mirrors his resolve, ready to embark on their joint quest. Sunlight filters through the dense forest as Benny, Sally, and Harry navigate the twisty path. Sally's concern deepens as she pauses, questioning, "Should we turn back?" A faint whimper echoes through the trees, leading them to a heartbreaking discovery. Harry, the tiny hedgehog, is trapped in a thorny bush, his quills helplessly tangled. Sally cries, "Oh no, he's hurt!" Benny carefully frees Harry, offering him a place in their treasure adventure. At the stream, the trio confronts a broken bridge, their path forward uncertain. Sally's worry is evident as she questions, "How do we cross now?" Benny, ever the optimist, declares, "We can hop across." He reinforces their unity with a shout, "We're in this together." As storm clouds gather, Harry urgently interjects, "We need shelter." The darkening sky looms, shadows stretching as the urgency to find refuge intensifies.